Hello. Hey, you here? Hey, hold on. Hey, Royale. See, we're in Royale. And so we are dressed like this beautiful creature. And our name is Wanda. Wanda's a witch. We're gonna wreak havoc on this world. Yes. Come up with them. First of all, so we can wreak havoc on this world and act like we didn't do it. We're gonna have to look so pretty that they won't even judge us and blame us for exposing them by pretending like we just didn't expose them. First of all, we're gonna do this black like this face. This face looks so innocent. We don't want it too innocent, or else they won't take us seriously. So that face, and have those eyes are so dark, black, yes, black eyes. Eyeshadow needs to be as dark as night as well, and our lipstick color black night. Need to do this like and then our hairdo. Let's see. Do this. No, okay. Ignore it. Oh, gross. You like royalty? Ooh, plump. Oh, yes. So Wanda is set, except we need our Wanda. Which don't come near. If you do, yes, there we go. Yes, now I wreak havoc on this. I need those pretty little kids so I don't look like them. Wait, don't just this. Like, when step on. Oh, what did I do? Oh no, what did I do? Okay. I'll take out the one. We need those pretty little heels. Wedges and one. We don't need a very expensive heel. That's too much. Dark. So, don't look too dark. I think we're set to wreak havoc on the world that is Royale High School. Oh, okay then. We're here. Okay. Wreak havoc. Oh, it's PE. And, yeah. We're trying to get those diamonds so we can afford that pretty little skirt for Wanda. Because Wanda deserves the best. She came from, that one game. Hold on. Let me find it real quick. Yeah. She came from this game, Wizard. Anyways, Wanda wreak havoc on this world. We have some animals. But first of all, she's like, please don't hack me. Whenever you see me, like, as you can see, geez, my germ. No, it's I have obviously the most one, and she always deserves me properly. Because if she is not happy, the world looks like it really know Alex's journal. Nope, Wanda's journal. This is now Wanda's journal. No one can do nothing about that. You need your artwork. Okay. Let's see, Wanda. You look very innocent. Okay, Wanda, you looks like you in a career have you have this hairdo instead. Rather than look at that. If you don't want to make you look too you to look innocent. And then like, and yeah, that'll be fun. Because look, Wanda, she's innocent. When it's time for peace, you know it. No one knows what's gonna happen next. Anyways, let me just skip to the dance. Like right now. Alright, yeah. Wanda finished first before everyone. Well, at least I hope I did. I hope Wanda did. Because if Wanda didn't do it, then Wanda will wreak havoc on whoever it did it first. Unless that person is Wanda, so then Wanda will do it herself. Yeah, so whatever. Yeah, so Wanda, you deserve everything that you get. How do you stop dancing? Your problem, girl. That is your problem. I'm not doing it because I am Wanda, and Wanda is not nice. Get away from me. Oh, I always say that. I don't want to stay. Then she can go report me. And I really don't want to lose a cow because I made a cow by oldie cow that I know the password to. I do have another account, but I lost the password, so trust me. Amen. That's that. Hey, I can know. There we go. Oh yeah, Wanda got first. Okay, let's just go to lunch. Now, let's all take a minute and appreciate how horribly this girl spelled princess. Princess Rhea. Oh my god, maybe she's trying to. Anyways, let's just get our little soda because Wanda doesn't need anything but soda. Princess Eva, well listen, I am Wanda the Witch and I will wreak havoc on your little world that you call home. Okay? Look, those wings may not be much, but listen, I have this skirt that will like ruin your reputation if you even try to well, I had a next friend. Oh, now she's trying to cheat her way back in here. I see you. Oh, listen, no, Wanda don't deal with no cheaters. Wanda not wanting to hear you, but Wanda cannot be the person. Wanda's gonna have no choice because Wanda just wants them in the skirt. Wanda it will not fail. It will not fail for the skirt. Because Wanda actually has to talk. But she has to say, not the woman in the highest tower, and all that some sorts. Wanda does not like that. My is done. Yeah, this is one of the biggest. Okay, we actually get back to you when it's time. One thing. One time, if you don't get it and yeah, Wanda really is because Wanda is and people are because Wanda is better. You really get back to you guys after the final just take up one of these spots. I'm just gonna take up one of these spots in the house, just so like I'm already prepped, but listen, I'm choosing out one spot just to wreak havoc on this world, and like I'm just gonna wait until the next. So like right now, like I'm actually, and I'm gonna call like say someone's gonna look at this, and I know that he get no fresh and me, but well, oh my days, it seems tonight is the night for Wanda to strike. I'll see you there. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the dance time. Half of the dance. Wanda. Now Wanda to miss this moment. That's no longer right. Wanda, of course, the first one. So Wanda. Okay. Like, oh my god. Wanda wanted to be the first one to do it wrong. Wanda is like, disgrace. Wanda is gonna do it. And then like, oh my god, oh Wanda is not happy with this stuff. No. Oh my god, that girl, Alexis, hold on. Oh, I won 25 diamonds in your face, Alexis. Yeah, you should have. Yeah, see, Alexis, I'm better at this than you. Oh shoot, I forgot the heels, the little heels, the pretty little heels. Oh, I made it though. Girl, yeah, no. Girl, no, I'm not gay. I'm not accepting your friend of us. Oh yeah, I'm not accepting. Yeah, I just did a little friend. No, even though I haven't even talked to you, like, it has to be good reason for you to send me a friend. There can't be just no reason. Things like I would accept friend if I was famous. If I was literally famous. Okay, I'm gonna say everyone please vote XX Worldtastic XX and I'd like to. Yeah. It's funny because I can't see how many times you've actually won. And I haven't won yet, and I like to. Like, if you could see how many times the person won, then, like, I'd be screwed. But since you can, y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all, I haven't said y'all. I didn't say y'all, please. You all know what I'm saying. See, who wants to be my dance date? I'm just gonna go up to give her a big fat odor. This is the best night of Wanda's life because Wanda likes to expose them odors, and Wanda don't like odors. Yeah, you better run away. You better run away. Yeah, see, get me. I'm such a good exposure. I'm probably gonna do good business if this was my life, but it's not. Yeah, you're gonna. Okay, let's just cut to. Okay, so let's get darkness. Part of I guess you're jealous. Yeah, reality. Like, I don't. Let's just skip. Girl, yeah. Now, like, you're second. You don't know you did not. Only one deserves to win. I'm not really gonna sit here and be her partner. Listen, you. You. But I deserve it. Honestly, I'm gonna run. Oh jeez, oh jeez. And that was the night that Wanda escaped from Wizard Life and went to Royale High to expose some odors and go to the dance club and dance and do whatever she does. That was fun. Let me go get a mega diamond, like those red ones. And yeah. Alright. Hi guys. You enjoyed the video. I really hope you did. Okay. Bye now.